Hello friends, welcome back to the Project Pathshala YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and have seen the demo of online teaching app in the previous video. If you haven't seen yet, then click on the link above or find the link in the description. Now today in this video we will start developing the project from the root level, and we will start by creating the pre-splash screen. The pre-splash screen is a screen which appears before loading the app and shows some introductory information such as logo, slogan, etc. So without wasting the time, let's create the pre-splash screen. Open Ender Studio, click on new project button, select empty view activity, click on next, enter the app name, click on finish. The project is created and there are two files present here. Combining them is called as one activity. In an activity there is a XML file where the interface is created for the app, and there is a Java file where the backend is created. So let's start with the XML file. Click on split so that we can see the app interface as well as code. Here by default the constraint layout is present. We will change it to linear layout. In the next video I will be explaining what is layout and what are the different types of layout. Linear layout, click on the suggestion, remove the text view and add image view. Provide the width 200 dp and height 200 dp. Add source for image. To add the image should be in this project, so we will copy the image from the folder. Select and copy that image. Click on resource and right click on drawable. Paste the image. Click OK. Change the title if you want, otherwise click OK. Now the image is added, title.jpg. Add this image in image view, title, close the image view using the backslash. Now the image is at the top left corner, but we want that image in the center, so we will change the gravity to center. The image is placed at the center. Change the background of the layout. Give the color in the hex format. The background has changed and the interface for pre-splash screen is created. Now we'll code the backend. We want our pre-splash screen to appear for 4 seconds and then move to the next activity. To do that, we will create another activity, and to create the activity, go to the Java folder in the project and right click here, select the new, and from the activity select the empty view activity. Because the next activity will be login activity, that's why we will give the name login activity. Click on finish. In the login activity, we will change the layout to linear layout and add a text view here. Give the width to match parent and height to wrap content. Add text, login activity. Close the text view using backslash. Add the text size to 25 sp. Change the width to wrap content and change the gravity to center. Now go to main activity. Here we will create a handler. The handler will help us to schedule task execution at specified time in future. Hence we will use it to hold the pre-splash screen and then redirect to the login activity after 3 seconds. Create the handler. New handler dot post delayed, new runnable, give semicolon here, give comma and delay here in millisecond. Now here we will create intent, because we want our login screen to appear after pre-splash screen, so we will create an intent to perform that task. Provide the current activity, main activity dot this, comma, provide the next activity, login activity dot class, start activity I login. We have created our backend also. Now it's time to test. We will connect our physical device. After connection established, the device will appear here. Now click on this run button. Now as you can see, the pre-splash screen is created, but there is a problem that on back press the pre-splash screen appear again. To avoid that, we will add one more line, finish. This line will delete the pre-splash activity in runtime when redirected to the next activity. Then run the app again. Now as you can see, on back press the app get closed without coming back to the pre-splash screen. In this way we create the pre-splash screen.